Hi there. I wanted to share with you the app that I chose, the technology app that I chose, and the physical resource that I chose for science instruction. A little bit about me first is that I love technology. I integrate technology. Hi there, this is Shelby Stevens. I wanted to talk to you today about the technology app that I picked for science and the physical resource that I picked, as well to kind of go with the science app. First, I want to start off with by saying how much I love technology and integrating technology in my classroom. I use it every chance that I get. Now, of course, when I first started teaching, and even back in my student teaching, it was all about books and reading articles and worksheets and workbooks. So even for me, when I first started teaching, I had to learn to transform my classroom. I became an e-class innovator. In Gwinnett County, we use a website called eClass. It's quite similar to CourseDen, but I've been able to transform that website instead of it being an informational tool for my parents. It's become a tool for my kids to go and visit with videos and articles and websites and apps that they can use excuse me, to enhance their knowledge. So I love technology. I integrate it in all of my centers and everything that I do. So this learning activity was very fun for me. So the app that I chose was the NASA app. When you download the app, this is what you'll see. You have different sections that you can click on. You have their missions, TV and radio, images, videos, tweets, and features. I first clicked on the feature app because it shows all of the planets in our solar system, and I thought that would be beneficial for me since I teach fourth grade. And when I did, it gave me other sites that I could click on about the moons, our solar system, a model of our solar system, and the planets. When you click on the model of our solar system, it comes out to look like this. And it shows where each planet is during this time of day. So when you can zoom in, you can go back and have the students collect data in the morning time of where the planets are, and then have them collect data at the end of the day. And when you zoom in closer, you can click on each planet, and it gives you a picture of the planet, and you can click these three dots down here to show or to learn more about that planet, the size, the color, the distance from the sun, which is all standards that my students in fourth grade need to know. When you go back here, when you click on the planets, it also gives you a list of each planet in our solar system, because one of our AKS standards is to identify the attributes of our solar system and our planets. And so that provides a lot of information. And then you also have videos. And when I clicked on videos, this video right here intrigued me because in February, it's Black History Month, and this past year, my students learned about the Hidden Figures, the women, the African American women that participated in the NASA research, and this would have been a really cool video to have shown them, so I will have to keep that in mind. But all of these are different kind of videos that they can research, and then these are all the different types of missions that the students can research as well. So I would even have like a center, like different centers that included these different parts of this app for my students to record information, to collect data and all of that stuff, because this app is full of information and knowledge for the kids. NASA also has guest speakers that come out to talk to you about something specific that you want them to talk about. It can be about the planets. My person came out and talked about the planets, and also came out and talked about planets and their rocks. He showed videos, he talked about technology, he talked about how the Earth was created. It was great. So when you just go to their website, you have to fill out this speaker request form. Now the downside is that since it is a voluntary program, it's free, but the downside is that you may not get accepted for them to come out to see you. So you have to plan it in advance, and but it is really great. Our guest speaker actually came out a second time when we did our innovation fair at our school, so it was very beneficial. I have like I said, you can just go to their link, and the forms and all that stuff is very easy to access and easy to fill out. So I hope you enjoyed my video about the NASA app, and I hope that it's beneficial to other teachers, and my physical resource to include technology in the classroom. Thank you.